കേരളവുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട കാര്യങ്ങൾ വിശദീകരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു നേരത്തെ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി. പൗരപ്രമുഖരടക്കം ആ യോഗത്തിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു. കേരളയിൽ സംസ്ഥാനത്തിന് അത്യാവശ്യമായി വേണ്ട പദ്ധതിയാണ് എന്നാണ് മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി പറഞ്ഞത്. അതിന്റെ വിശദാംശങ്ങളിലേക്ക് വരാം. ഇപ്പോൾ ഗവർണർ കൊച്ചിയിൽ മാധ്യമങ്ങളെ കാണുന്നുണ്ട്, അതിലേക്ക്.
Who wants me to break the silence? Tell me that. Who wants me to break the silence?
Actually, the subject, Rashtrapati, President, still you are not say no words against the subject.
Who is raising this question?
The leader of opposition.
Acha, you are saying leader of opposition. So he is so close to the government. He is so close to the government. He can check, instead of being more loyal than the king, he can check with the king himself. If I know about something, government also knows about it. He is not close to me, he is close to government. He can check with them. Everybody is saying in Kerala that opposition leader has become very close to the government. So he can check with them. Why he wants me to disclose?
Sir, but we need one more clarification regarding what you said regarding the dignity of the nation.
I have said, read the article 51A, subclause A carefully. We all are duty bound to abide by the Constitution and law and show utmost respect to national ideals and institutions. Therefore, anything which comes in the definition of national institution should not be made a subject of controversy or public discussion.
But sir, one doubt is, like, have you ever received any reply from the government authorities indicating disrespect to the dignity of the nation?
If I reveal that, then I am doing contrary to what I am expected to do. Tell me one thing. You are from?
Asianet, sir.
Asianet. You are from Asia. The conflict arises when suppose there is another reporter of Asianet and he says that not you, I will report and I will go there. Then there will be bad blood between you and him. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Here, there must be something very serious. When I am saying that under these circumstances, I cannot perform the duties.
ഗവർണർ ആരിഫ് മുഹമ്മദ് ഖാൻ മാധ്യമങ്ങളെ കാണുകയായിരുന്നു. പ്രതിപക്ഷ നേതാവിന്റെ വിമർശനങ്ങൾക്കെതിരെ തിരികെ വിമർശനം ഉന്നയിക്കുക കൂടിയാണ് അദ്ദേഹം ചെയ്യുന്നത്.